Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. uh, and this video is coming after so much time, after a very long time, and I'm not that much energetic because the news means it's now too old, but still you will be knowing that Messi is not Leo Messi will not continue at FC Barcelona. FC Barcelona has posted this officially on Thursday night. I was seeing Twitter that what they will post. Uh, I will tell you the story, and this news came a day before yesterday. Uh, means I was going to make a video and I was going to post it yesterday only, but I was means seeing that full story. What is the story? Why Messi didn't renewed, or means what was the problem in renewing? And I will tell you everything. What will be Leo Messi's new destination, in which club he's going to play. So I'm going to talk so much now. Means in this video, and this is so important too. So without wasting time, let's get. So guys, firstly, Leo Messi, he is not gonna renew at FC Barcelona. He's not gonna continue. So the reason behind it is means FC Barcelona has posted it. Means on that day, means Thursday, La Liga had announced a deal with CVC partners. They sold their 10% stake, means 10% shares to a investment fund named CVC Capital Partners, and that was an agreement of 50 years. That is a long period, 50 years. And Barcelona, means everyone were not knowing that 50 years deal. So they got 3 billion something, La Liga, and they decided to boost the finances of each and every club. So they will give each and every club something around 200 million. But and what happened, Barca were not means after that deal announced, everyone was saying now it will be a imminent announcement, it will be immediate announcement, everything will now Leo Messi will renew at Barcelona on that same day. And I was very excited that Leo Messi is going to renew today. And means announcement will be made in night. Okay, as per India, in India, in night, it announcement was going to be made at night. So I was like, okay, now I'm happy that Messi will renew. Finally he will renew, and he will again join the Barca training camp. And but suddenly I just saw the news around 10:30. I just came home, and I just at night 10:30 I just saw Twitter, and everything everywhere I was seeing that now the situation bit of Barca and Messi deal, it's very irreversible, it's impossible to sign now. And why it was means everything was going perfectly, but in just that around 30 to 15 minutes the things got just changed. Means it was a irreversible situation. Now what was that situation I am going to talk about? So the situation was that La Liga's financial rules, I have made a separate detailed video on it. Okay, here I will give the link in the description. So please, if you don't know about the financial rules, so go and check that. Okay, I've explained in that video, so just go and check it. So Messi will not continue because of the wage bill. I was shocked. Okay, let it be now. Now Messi, he will not renew. Many of them are saying that this is a plan by Messi and Barca to put pressure on La Liga, and they will then remove that financial rules, and then Messi will again come in the league for Barca and play. Messi wanted to stay. I am. And yesterday means yes, Laporta, our president, Barca's president, John Laporta, he had a press conference to explain the Leo Messi's situation, that why he will not renew. So it is a very shocking news for everyone. I was also shocked that he will not play for Barca again. But okay, now, but I will not leave Barca. Yes, I am a Messi fan. I started following Barca because of Messi, because I was a Messi fan. But still, I am a cooler, Barca's fan. So I will not leave Barca. I will follow Barca, and Messi. Okay, many of them are saying that he is going to PSG. Uh, I'll just say, please don't go to PSG. Chelsea are in talks, so if he goes in Chelsea, I will be really happy, because in Premier League I support Chelsea. Means every season I support Chelsea. Last season I was supporting Chelsea. Thomas Tuchel, their Havertz, he is there. So if Messi goes there, yes, their owner Abramovich has set a meeting today, or yes, today only, with Messi, Messi's team, whole team, agent, and his means agent is his father, and father and him, he will sit and means they will talk. So I think he should go to Chelsea, and if he will go to Chelsea, then that Premier League will be the best Premier League. And there are reports also that Ronaldo joining Man United. So if he goes to Man United and he Messi comes to Chelsea, then the Premier League will be the best league ever. But okay, it's not yet. But Messi is not staying now. Uh, it's a shocking news. But and I was shocked that why, means 2 September is the deadline. 2 September is the deadline, and why Barca has announced immediately that he will not continue at FC Barcelona. Now Barca, okay, I will support Barca. I am a cooler, so I will support Barca, and I will just follow Barca. I will watch each. I will give you previews and reviews of the Barca matches. I feel uh, very sorry for Barcelona and John Laporta, because Laporta, he has done everything now for the club. For he has tried everything, that how he can try to register Messi. Now the players like Umtiti, Pjanic, Braithwaite, Griezmann, they will feel very ashamed, because and Jordi Alba too. Jordi Alba didn't reduce his wages, and he didn't go. Uh, Umtiti, so they will be ashamed. And this is very bad thing, because Messi was ready to take 30%. He was ready to earn 30% wages.